Good morning students. Today we are going to start our chapter 4th NCERT textbook, that is determinants. So first of all we should know what is determinant. So the determinant of a matrix is a special number that can be calculated from a square matrix. Here you see what is given, the condition is given, the determinants can be calculated only from a square matrix. It means what is square matrix? Where m equal to n, means order of the matrix should be, it means number of rows must be equal to number of columns. For example, a matrix is an array of numbers that should be 3, 5, 4, 6. So this is 2 cross 2, it means this is a square matrix. So we can find out the determinant of this matrix. And what is the symbol? Symbol is this 2 straight line or del or determinant, whatever. Suppose we are taking, suppose it was matrix A, if we are going to find, so determinant A, like this. So listen carefully, mod A means the determinant of the matrix A, not modulus of A, because we people have studied mod 3, mod 5, mod minus 2, we were doing absolute value. This is the sign of absolute value, but in case of determinant we have to read it as determinant of the matrix A. Now moving forward, calculating the determinant. So first of all the matrix must be square matrix. For example, this one only I am taking. Suppose A equal to 3, 5, 4, 6. So then matrix A must be 3, 5, 4, 6. It means we have to cross multiply. So along with 3 into 6 minus 4 into 5, mod A. For 2 cross 2 I am speaking. So this will be what? 18 minus 20 must be minus 2. In case of 2 cross 2, this determinant came minus 2. Similarly, we can take an example of 3 cross 3 also. Now suppose we are taking example 3 cross 3. A matrix A is what? Suppose directly I am writing with determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One thing you should know, when we are doing 3 cross 3, this will be plus, minus, plus. Like this we have to move. So determinant A must be what? Determinant A must be, firstly, when we are taking 1, listen, when we are taking 1, so this column and this row we have to leave. So 5 into 9 minus 8 into 6. Now you can see this is minus sign, so minus 2. It means for this case this column and this row we have to leave. So this will be 4 into 9 minus 7 into 6. Then again plus 3 we have to take. We are taking 3, so this column and this row we have to leave. So this will be 4 into 8 minus 7 into 5. So this will be, further we can calculate 1, this will be 45 minus 48 minus 2, this will be 36 minus 42, this will be plus 3, this will be 32 minus 35. So this 1 into 45 minus, this will be minus 3, minus 2 into, this will be minus 6, plus 3 into, this will be minus 3. So minus 3 minus minus plus 12 minus 9. So here you can see this will be minus 12 plus 12, this will be 0. So coincidentally you can see determinant A came 0. It means in our syllabus most of the questions we are having 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 only. So I hope you can understand, you can solve also, and you can try at home. If you are facing any doubt, you can post your comment. Thank you.